Today I'm doing a Spelt Rye Flour pizza dough. And to be honest, I'm doing this because I have too many hipster friends and they love this. 4 kilo spelt, 1 kilo rye, 25 grams of honey, 25 grams dry yeast, 50 milliliters olive oil, 100 grams of sea salt. I want to put in 50 grams of flax seed as well. 3,100 milliliters of water. I mix in the dry yeast, 25 grams of honey. I add the spelt flour, the rye flour. I knead the dough for roughly 20 minutes and give it an overnight rise in the fridge. Depending on my room temperature, I make the dough balls roughly 3 to 5 hours before I start baking. But because I'm using a rolling pin to make a flat crust pizza, it doesn't really matter too much.
So good.
Yeah.
Can I get a plain pizza, please?
This is nicely.